Slicers are a powerful tool for filtering data directly on the report canvas. To add a slicer, simply go to the Visualizations pane and select the slicer icon. You can customize the slicer display as a list, drop-down, or even a range slider for numeric fields. By default, a slicer only filters data on the current report page. However, you can sync its effect across multiple pages using the Sync Slicers panel. Additionally, slicers update automatically when selections are made, but you can change this behavior by adding Apply All and Clear All buttons, giving users more control over when filters are applied. By default, all visuals on the same report page interact with each other through cross-highlighting. If you want to disable this interaction, you can do so for the entire report. Go to Report Settings, and under In Query, Reduction Settings, select the option to disable cross-highlighting.